you know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay and enjoy the contents. Alright, so in today's video I'll be sharing my cost of living in Jamaica. I'm currently living in Montego Bay, so you know that's a tourist area. So I'll be sharing all my expenses and all of that. So if you're coming to Jamaica, you can, or if you want to live in Montego Bay, you can have an idea. Alright, so stick around. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. I have my pen in my hand and I have my book, so I wrote down everything that I'll be sharing with you guys. Alright, so stick around for that. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with is rent. So I'm currently living in a scheme and my rent is $40,000. Right, my rent is $40,000 and it comes with an AC. But in this scheme it depends because it can be $40,000, 43, 50, 70, 80. It depends. And overall in Jamaica or in Montego Bay, it depends on the area and you know all of that. So my rent is $40,000. So JPS bill, my last bill was $6,300. My bills for JPS it not past $6,500. So last month was $6,300. But if I turn on the AC now, the last time I turned on the AC, the bill came to $9,000. So I know how to monitor it. So it now go up like 20,000 and then price there. I know how to monitor the AC and every time I use AC, honestly. I have my fan, my area with my fan, because I know how JPS there. So my last bill was $6,300. If I turn on AC, it will go up to $9,000. Alright. So and then with the JPS, I have the AC, I have the washing machine, I have the fridge and computer and TV. So I know how to monitor all of them. Something there finna make a bill go up, the JPS bill go up. So I know how to monitor everything. Water now. Water, my last bill was $5,700. The most my water can go at $8,000. My water go at $8,000 one time, but it not past that. But I kind of know how to deal with it. If I know 4,500, I go 5,500 or 6,000. But my last bill was $5,700. Alright, internet. My internet bill is $6,500. My internet not pass. My internet bill not pass that, so it's normally $6,500 or less, $6,400. Right, so that's internet. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at my book with the information that I wrote down. Alright, so I do rent, I do JPS, I do water, and I do internet. So transportation now, I don't really with transportation now, I don't own a car as yet. Right, so I'm gonna drive. So if I go somewhere, I either take taxi or I charter one taxi. But if I take taxi, the fare where I live is only $250. So if you go and come, you know, so that's $500. And transportation for me driver weekly, it's $3,500 weekly for me a driver. And then what else? if I'm to charter somebody, alright, for example, I go a supermarket and I charter a ride, them go take like $2,500 or $3,000. It depends. So yeah, that's for transportation. And then again, me and my family I go out and we charter drive. For example, we're going to a hotel or we're going out of town. You know, so that I go like 120 to 22,000, but it's split between me and my people them. So me would appear like less, would appear like $5,000 to $7,000. It depends on where we are go and who with the charter. So yeah, that's for transportation. What else? School fee for my daughter. She's going to a prep school. So the school fee was $45,000. I think, yeah, it was $45,000 until they raise it now. So September coming, I'm gonna pay $50,000 per term. So you know, say you pay one September, you pay one again in a December, January, and then you pay one for April in a different time there. So yeah, school fee raised now to $50,000, right? Okay, so I'm just going through my book, guys. So on Sundays, I normally buy water. So as I was saying, on Sundays, I buy bottled water, like drinking water. I buy water on Sundays. If you have your own bottle, it's $400. If not, I'm not sure. If you're buying for the first time, I'm not sure. I mean, I remember, but I have 2 bottles of water. So on Sundays, I normally buy 1 bottle, which is $400, or if the 2 bottles them empty, that are $800, right? So for groceries and grown provision like market stuffs, groceries monthly, it's from $60,000 upwards. If you guys watch my grocery hauls, you will know my shop for the month. Yeah, so if you go to supermarket every week, every 2 weeks, it no make no sense. So I just stock up, buy things in bulk for the month, right? So my grocery shopping, roughly $60,000 upwards. If from my market supplies like grown provisions, fruits and all of that, is from $12,500. Sometimes one item they may go up $15,000, because with the market supplies this week market raise, next week the price go down. So it depends. So the last market shopping that I went, I paid I think at $12,000 something. So the most may pay for market things, let's put it to like $15,000, right? My budget was $15,000. Now, sometimes when I go down a market, I buy bush tea. Yeah, I buy bush tea. I live in a scheme and every time I go find bush and all of them something there. So I buy bush tea like fever grass, cerci, mint and all of that. I know I'm gonna start plant my things them still, you know. But if I go down a market, I buy all of them bush tea, something there, and Cinco Bible and all of that, and everything will come up to $2,000. Right? So gas now. Not car gas, but gas for cook. My gas are normally $4,000. Right? For me here, if I go to school, I wash her hair at home, and somebody will do her hair, and that's for $3,000. Right? That's for $3,000. Also on Sundays, vehicles normally come in this scheme with chemicals like bleach and your little sweet them, and you know, fab soap and all of that. Me don't normally buy fab soap. I buy fab soap like when I go supermarket. If I go supermarket and I want to top up on bleach, me buy bleach. But on Sundays, sometimes on Sundays, I buy bleach, I buy chlorine and all of that. And it roughly come to, it most smooth up here, I like $1,500. If me run out. Not every Sunday, but if me run out and all of them something there, all those chemicals, if me run out, me buy them on Sundays, and it not gonna cost me more than like $1,500 or less, not even $1,000. So yeah. What else now? My unit products, like unit products, for example, boric acid. Me not live from boric acid, people know. But for example, boric acid, I buy yoni wash, yoni oil. What else mother buy? Mother buy some pills like macaroon pills, and you know, for myself. So that now gonna pass $4,000. Yeah, when I check it out, that not really pass $4,000. Like the women probiotics and all of that. Yeah, and then every time I buy it like that, so it not gonna pass $4,000, right? Alright, healthcare. Me not really got a doctor like that, and if me fi care the kids them got a doctor, the fee to see the doctor is like 3,400 or 4,200. Me not remember, but yeah. And then if me fi buy prescription, the prescription are like from $5,000 go up. It depends on the prescription. And also like dental now, you don't really pay much for dental. If you go clean with teeth or anything, clinic, we got clinic and it's free, so you're not really paying nothing for like dental. Alright, hair, nails, eyebrow. Alright, for hair, nails and eyebrows and lash and all of them something there. Hairstyle, me normally just do braid. And if I go do braid, I want simple style, go back so, and that is for like $6.5. Maybe wash my hair at home. If I go do like knotless now, knotless braid are from like probably $8,500 go up to $11,000 or $15,000. Yeah, it depends on the style, but me normally just do my hair back like that, cane roll, come down, and it now costs me more than like $6,500 or $7,000 if I'm to buy the hair, one pack of braid, and that's like $900. If I go do the knotless, I would have like 3 pack of braid or so, and that are like about 2,000 something. I don't remember. I don't do lashes. If I go shave my eyebrow, it's $500. Me not normally do nails. If I go do nails, I like special occasion, and me finger and my toe, it go roughly come up to like $7,500. Yeah. What else? Alright, if I'm to buy a credit like online Scotia, if I'm to put on a plan, for example, the internet gone, I'm supposed to put on a plan. I normally put on 2-day plan, and that's for $400. I don't need more than that. To cut my yard, it's $5,000 to cut the yard. Subscription, honestly, I cancel all of my subscription them. I'm gonna work with the free Canva. I'm gonna work with the free CapCut. Yeah, we just work with it for now. Yeah, I don't with Netflix. As somebody Netflix me I use. One of my family member Netflix I'm using. Right. So to go out and eat, I don't really go out. Alright, to go out, I don't really go out like that, like to parties and all of that. The most I do, I go out, I like one little brunch or dinner with my family, and that not gonna cost me much, because I would have me and the kids them, some would have just roughly budget out $10,000, and then if you charter a taxi, everything goes split, so me probably pay like $1,200 to $3,000 for fare. Yeah. Also, household items. Sometimes I just go downtown and buy some household items. Sometimes it come to $5,000, or it can go up to $12,000, 12,000 something. You know, go past $12,500 or $800. Right. Sometimes no, I cook every day. Sometimes when I don't feel like cook, me get burger or me get KFC. If I got Burger King, me not gonna spend more than $5,000 or less. And if I go KFC, it's gonna be from $4,000 up. It not gonna pass $10,000. It not even gonna pass $9,000. If me not cook, I'm on KFC or Burger King. Right? So I'm looking to see if I miss out anything. Me do everything. Oh, skincare. Me not really do skincare like that. The thing me use for my face is a Nadinola soap, a Nadinola cream, and omit gel, and them they go cost me like $1,700, right? If I'm going out, I need little makeup, that's like $7,000, right? And I had to put this clip in because I forgot two things. If I'm supposed to bring the kids out to play, like to go, if I'm bringing them to Coral Cliff, I would roughly budget out $10,000. And then on Fridays, I normally give Mia around $200 or $250 to buy like ice cream or icicle, you know. So yeah, those two things, Coral Cliff and for Mia on Fridays. So yeah, that is everything. If me miss out, just drop it in the comments and I can tell you what and what. So yeah, if you're coming to Jamaica or if you want to live in Montego Bay, have an idea. I don't really do much, and I try to balance everything, try to control everything, you know, have everything under control, right? So as I said, in Montego Bay, rent is from $40,000 up. It depends on the area. It really depends on the area, because you guys know modern day time, everybody refurbish them house and I put it like in the Airbnb styles. And if you rent a house in them the fashion day, and so your rent I go high. Because for example, you have a scheme in West Village, that's in Montego Bay, in West Village, a 2-bedroom, it can go up to all 100 and odd, from call it like from 70,000 go up for a 2-bedroom or so. But yeah, if when I hear something I don't want know, you can let me know in the comments. But that is my cost of living. Let me know if it's too expensive or if it's reasonable, or you know, so the type of job I do and everything like that, I'll put that in a different video. So if you enjoy this video, let me know. And remember guys, to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Okay, welcome all my new subscribers. I hope you stay, and tell a friend to tell a friend to come over this channel. Okay, yes, remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.